Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Today, we are diving into the essence of creativity not just as an artistic endeavor, but as a critical mindset for navigating a rapidly changing world. We'll explore why fostering creativity is more vital now than ever before. Before we delve deeper, let's establish a common understanding of what creativity truly means in a contemporary context. It extends far beyond traditional artistic expression to encompass a much broader spectrum of human ingenuity. Creativity is fundamentally about making connections and seeing possibilities where others might see only barriers. It's the engine of progress, enabling us to move beyond conventional thinking and embrace ingenuity in every aspect of life, from business strategy to daily challenges. The digital era has democratized creativity, making tools and platforms accessible to many. It has also highlighted the power of collective intelligence, where diverse teams can co-create and innovate at an unprecedented pace, moving beyond the myth of the solitary genius. In an age where information is abundant and change is the only constant, a creative mindset isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a fundamental skill for survival and thriving. It empowers individuals and organizations to not just react to the future, but to actively shape it. Steve Jobs perfectly encapsulates the essence of creativity here. It's not about inventing out of thin air, but about observing, understanding, and then synthesizing existing elements in novel ways. It's about seeing the patterns and relationships that others might overlook. A creative mindset isn't a single trait, but a constellation of interconnected attitudes and practices. Let's break down the essential components that, when cultivated, significantly enhance our creative capacity. Curiosity is the fuel for creativity. It drives us to explore, experiment, and discover. By cultivating a habit of asking probing questions and maintaining an open mind, we unlock new avenues for insight and innovation. Both divergent and convergent thinking are essential for a complete creative process. Divergent thinking helps us explore the what if, while convergent thinking helps us determine the what now. Mastering the balance between these two modes is key to effective innovation. True creativity requires courage, the courage to try, fail, and try again. A resilient mindset transforms obstacles into stepping stones, allowing us to persist through challenges and ultimately arrive at groundbreaking solutions. It's about progress, not perfection. The data clearly illustrates that creativity isn't just an abstract concept, it has tangible, measurable benefits for organizations. From boosting the bottom line to fostering a more engaged workforce, investing in creativity pays significant dividends. While a creative mindset is powerful, it's not without its challenges. There are common barriers, both internal and external, that can stifle our creative flow. Recognizing these is the first step towards overcoming them. These blocks are often psychological, stemming from deeply ingrained habits or fears. Understanding that everyone faces these challenges can help normalize the experience and encourage us to actively work on overcoming them. Fostering creativity is a dual effort. It involves both individual practices and organizational support. By integrating proven techniques and creating a supportive culture, we can significantly boost creative output and innovation. Beyond structured techniques, personal habits play a huge role in nurturing creativity. These practices help us relax, connect different parts of our brain, and allow for the aha moments to emerge. Make them a regular part of your routine. Picasso's provocative quote reminds us that sometimes our adherence to what is sensible or logical can be the very thing that limits our imagination. True breakthroughs often come from challenging conventional wisdom and daring to think differently. As AI continues its rapid advancement, it's natural to wonder about its impact on human creativity. Rather than a threat, AI can be a powerful partner, reshaping how we approach and execute creative tasks. The synergy between human creativity and AI promises an exciting future. AI can act as a powerful amplifier, expanding our capacity for ideation and execution, while humans retain the essential role of vision, judgment, and emotional resonance. Ultimately, a creative mindset flourishes best within a supportive culture. Organizations that intentionally cultivate these elements create fertile ground for innovation, empowering everyone to contribute their unique creative potential. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, creativity is a skill that can be honed and developed by everyone. Embrace curiosity, challenge norms, and don't be afraid to experiment. The future belongs to those who dare to imagine and create. Let's all commit to nurturing our creative minds. Thank you.